Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that's here to make sure you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with a battle royale between the Lefant M210 and the iRobot Roomba J7. It's the budget-friendly underdog versus the premium powerhouse. Let's get ready to rumble. First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the Lefant in the room. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Meanwhile, the Roomba J7 is sitting pretty at a whopping $599. That's right, folks. For the price of one Roomba J7, you could buy 3 Lefants and still have enough left over for a decent pizza party. Got pets? The Lefant M210 is practically a pet's best friend. With its unique brushless suction port, it gobbles up pet hair like it's spaghetti at an Italian dinner. Plus, it won't get all tangled up like your earbuds in your pocket. On the other hand, the Roomba J7 also boasts some serious pet-friendly features. But at that price, it better walk the dog too. Reviewers praise the Roomba J7 for its obstacle recognition, ensuring it won't get stuck around pet toys. Now, let's talk about the brains of these brooms. The Lefant M210 has a smart app and voice control, so you can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and even give it directions like a tiny, obedient robot butler. But beware. Make sure you're using the NU Lefant app, not the old one, or you might end up with a rebellious teenager instead of a helpful assistant. The Roomba J7, on the other hand, is like the honor student of robot vacuums. It has imprint smart mapping, customizable clean zones, and even keep out zones. It's like having a GPS for your vacuum. You can schedule it to clean while you're away, and it'll stop when you come back. It's practically a ninja, only quieter and without the cool throwing stars. Reviewers appreciate the J7's mapping efficiency and ease of use. Size matters, folks. The Lefant M210 is compact with an 11-inch diameter and a height of just under 3 inches. It's the vacuum equivalent of a contortionist, easily sliding under your furniture to get those dust bunnies. The Roomba J7 is a bit chunkier, but still nimble, thanks to its advanced sensors that keep it from falling downstairs or getting stuck. Reviewers love the J7's ability to avoid obstacles and navigate complex spaces. Battery life is where the Lefant M210 shines like a marathon runner. It can keep going for up to 120 minutes in low suction mode. That's 2 full episodes of your favorite binge-worthy series. The Roomba J7, while powerful, doesn't quite match up in the endurance department. It's more of a sprinter, getting the job done quickly but needing more frequent pit stops. Reviewers note the Lefant's impressive battery life, but mention it loses strength towards the end. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a great budget option with impressive pet hair handling and long battery life, but it struggles with carpet cleaning and connectivity issues. Meanwhile, the iRobot Roomba J7 is highly praised for its advanced mapping, obstacle recognition, and overall cleaning performance, though it comes at a higher price point. So, there you have it. The Lefant M210 is the budget-friendly, pet-loving, marathon-running contender that's perfect for those tight spaces. Meanwhile, the Roomba J7 is the high-tech, map-making, ninja cleaning machine for those who don't mind splurging a bit. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your wallets happy. Product links are in the description.